Spherical wavefront. When we have a point source, we get spherical wavefront. From point source, wave is emitted from all sides. The same phase of the different waves makes spherical wavefronts. All the points are circular when we join all the points of the same phase, but points are in the 3D surface. Hence, same phase of the point in all direction, that is x, y and z axis, will form a spherical shape in xy, zy, xz plane. Cylindrical wavefront. When we have a line source and if we join all the points having same phase but different waves, then overall shape will be a cylinder. This is known as cylindrical wavefront. Plane wavefront. Infinity source may be a point or be a line. When a point source or linear source of light is at very large distance, a small portion of spherical or cylindrical wavefront appears to be plane. Such a wavefront is known as plane wavefront. Rays coming from infinity is a parallel rays. If we take a small part of a cylindrical wavefront, it will look like a plane. Similarly, if we take a smaller part of a spherical wavefront, then it will look like a plane. So if this kind of wavefront A or B are coming from a very large distance, they appear as plane wavefront.